If you are a BSc Nursing student or starting your journey in this course, then these are the only essentials and must-haves you will need to survive the college and the clinical postings. Hi, I am Dia and I am in second semester of BSc Nursing. So today I am gonna tell you all the essentials that you will need in your college life and also during the clinical posting. So I have divided this video in 3 parts. So the first one is the clinical essentials, all the things that you will need during your clinical postings in hospital. And the second part is the academic essentials, all the things that you will need during your college life and during the study section and classes. And the third one is the personal essentials that you will need for your own self and during both the college and hospital, that I'll tell you in the video. So the first one is the clinical essentials. So during your clinical postings, you have to carry the pocket articles. Means all the articles that I'll tell you in the video that you have to carry in your uniform, like in the pockets, and I'll tell you. First is the stethoscope. Stethoscope, of course, you all know this is the stethoscope that you have to wear around your neck, of course, that you have to carry during the clinical posting. It is necessary. Why? Because you have to take the BPs of the patient, then you need your stetho. Second is pens, like you have to carry the blue, black and red pen to write things. I don't know black, red, itne color kyun chahiye, but you have to carry. The third is pencil, eraser, sharpener, of course, again to write and all. Then you need a scale, basic stationery you need. Scissors, small scissors aati hai pocket wali, that you will need. And then measuring tape. Measuring tape is basically the inchy tape that you get from the store. That is basically to measure anything like size of something, like a wound. And then pocket dictionary. एक pocket dictionary आती है for nursing students that I don't own because I am not into dictionaries and all. If your college says that it is mandatory to carry, then you can. Otherwise, it's okay. Because in our college, it is not allowed to carry the mobile phones. So if you see any word in the file or new word, then you can search on the pocket dictionary and get to know what it is. So that's the purpose of this, I think. But I'd like to write the words and later search it and then get the meaning. The next is nail cutter or filer. That is to maintain the hygiene of the patient. Actually, in the hospitals and wards also, they have a separate nail cutter for the patients, but I don't know why it is important for us to carry that too. Next is small pocket diary. That is really important and I will tell you all to get this because there's so much to learn. I have literally finished 3 pocket diaries and this is my 4th one going on. If you are taking a history, then you can write it on your pocket diary. If you are learning something, then write it down. Means this is very useful. So I will tell you all to get a pocket diary that you can keep in your pocket. Next is hand sanitizer. Of course, in hospitals also sanitizer hota hai, so you can use that. But in case it is not there and you can't wash your hands at that moment, then you should have your own hand sanitizer. Then watch with the second hand. I'll show you here. Second hand is this for the seconds counting. So this is important because when you are calculating the pulse manually and respiration rate, then you need to know the time. So for that you need a watch. Then ID card you should wear. So these are all the things that you need during your clinical postings in your pocket. I like to keep all the things except the stethoscope in my transparent pouch so that the pockets aren't too heavy and like all the stuff is not here and there. So I'll suggest you all to get a transparent pouch and keep all your pocket articles in that. So the other things that are not necessary but you can carry is mask. Otherwise you'll get the masks from the hospitals. But if it is not available there or they don't give you the mask, then you should have your own because sometimes you don't know when you have an interaction with the patient who is infectious with some respiratory disease. So you should put your own mask. Next is Jura net or bun net that you wear on your bun. That is not necessary in our college, but if you want, if it is necessary and compulsory to wear in your college, then you should have one. And I prefer you to wear because I don't like hair coming out of my bun and fixing it all the time during clinical posting. So you should have one. Next is a daily diary. You might know what your college requirements are and to write new learning every day, to write patient history. So for that you need a daily diary. And the most important point, shoes. So it is compulsory to wear only black shoes during our clinical postings. and if it is the same for you, then you should have black shoes only. And I will suggest you to buy a comfortable ones, because you have to stand for long hours during your postings, so you should have a good comfortable pair of shoes. So that is all you need for your clinical postings. Now let's move on to the second section, that is the academic essentials, what all you'll need in your college. So the first one is notebooks, of course, to take notes. I would suggest you to get a separate notebook for separate subjects, because then it is not messy and all, it is very organized. Next is same pens, highlighters, sticky notes, pencil, eraser, sharpener, all the stationery. However you like to take your notes, you can get the stationery according to that. Next is files or folders. These are really useful because you will get thousands of assignments to make, thousands of patient histories and health assessment, so you need a file to keep all of them at one place. So get a file and keep in your bag. Next, books, of course, according to your timetable and all, carry your books. Next is laptop, tablet or phone, because you'll have to give the presentations, that is the micro teachings, you teach the class. So for that you will need laptop, tablet or phone to make presentation and to present it. Next is A4 white sheets, जो प्रिंट आउट वाली शीट्स आती हैं, गेट अ बंडल ऑफ दैट बिकॉज दैट आर वेरी यूजफुल. अगेन एज आई हैव टोल्ड यू, बहुत सारी असाइनमेंट्स होती हैं, असेसमेंट्स होती हैं टू मेक, बहुत सारी असाइनमेंट्स होती हैं, क्लिनिकल रिक्वायरमेंट्स की, हेल्थ असेसमेंट्स और ऑल, बहुत कुछ होता है. So you will need all these sheets and it is very useful to get these comes very handy also. Next is glue, scissors, tape, that is the basic stationery. Stapler and pins. Stapler also is very useful for the assignments. You will need this. इतने सारे tests होते हैं to pin it up, so stapler also is very useful. So yeah, that is all that you need for your academic essentials. Now I'll tell you the personal essentials, what you need for yourself. Water bottle and tiffin. Water bottle and tiffin is mandatory because we gotta keep ourselves hydrated. So water bottle, during clinical postings also and college also you need water. So get a water bottle and tiffin, because of course you will have lunch in your college, and if you have a long clinical posting, then of course you need to carry your lunch or something with you. Next is bag to keep your stuff in, bags for your clinical posting and college. In our college it is not allowed for the hostlers to carry their bag during the clinical posting because ward में बहुत सारा bags हो जाते हैं, so it is very cluttered. But then you can carry a file you can carry and keep your things. But day scholars can carry their bags in hospitals. Next is hand sanitizer. Of course, clinicals में भी चाहिए, but do use hospital वाला sanitizer in clinicals. College में also you need sometimes. Then tissues. Tissues also comes very handy for clumsy people like me who keeps on dropping something on myself and others. So tissues. Then hair ties and hair clips for all the girlies. Hair ties comes very handy, and hair clips. If you have short hair, then you can clip them during your clinical postings. And for college also you need. Then power bank or charger and earphones. Power bank or charger for your phone's battery to survive the long hours of college and clinical postings, and earphones also for your own peace. And then you will need moisturizer, sunscreen and lip balm. Moisturizer because your hands will get dry because of the sanitizer and hand washing, and sunscreen because summers में बहुत ज़्यादा sunny होता है, so you need sunscreen. And lip balm of course. And then you will need again a file or folder, that as I told you, to keep all the clinical stuff and college assignments and all. So yeah, that's all the personal essentials you'll need. I hope that this video was helpful for you. If it was, then do comment below. And thank you for watching the video till the end. That's it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye.